Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock WhatsApp personal chat. Okay, so if I go to my WhatsApp, here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap to open it, and this is one of my chat. If I tap on that, you can see I can open it without any password. Okay, so how we can lock this? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial. So let's come out of this WhatsApp. Okay, and you need to open your Google Play Store, and in this search box you need to type chat locker. Okay, and just do a search for this, and here we have guys this chat locker. Okay, so just tap on this install button. You can see guys it's downloading the app. It's a very small app, 1.32 megabytes. It's installing the app. Okay, so it's now opened. You can see it's scanning. I have this scanning feature installed on my device, so you can see this app is safe, so you can use that. Okay guys, so just tap on this. Let me tap on this, open this link at the bottom right. Here we have the chat locker, and just tap on this set language. Okay, just tap on this English, tap on the OK button. Language changed successfully. Just tap on the OK button and just enter the password that you can remember. Okay, so I'm typing my password. Okay, enter confirm password. You need to enter again, and just enter your password hint. Okay, so just type anything that you can remember. Okay, so I filled all these, and after you filled it, you just tap on the OK button over here. Let me do that. Okay, so currently there is an advertisement. Just tap on this cross. Okay, currently there no any WhatsApp conversation is password protected. Use below menu to add password to your private conversation. Okay guys, so just tap on this this menu button at the bottom left, and here we have the various options. So you need to tap on this lock WhatsApp chats and password protection. You can see please activate accessibility service for WhatsApp chat locker app to protect private conversation on WhatsApp. So please make sure your WhatsApp chat locker is on under settings, accessibility service WhatsApp chat locker. So just tap on the OK this button, and it will take you to the accessibility screen. Okay, so just find the chat locker. So here we have the chat locker. Just tap on this this over here, this off, and here we have the accessibility. Just tap on this toggle to enable it. This service will perform these actions: observe your actions, retrieve window content. Okay, so just read that, and if you agree, just tap on this OK button. Okay, and just go back. Again go back. Okay, so we are now back, and accessibility service is now enabled for this chat locker. So just tap on this this menu button at the bottom left, and just tap on this lock WhatsApp chats. Okay, just tap on the, as you can see, this will redirect you on WhatsApp app. After redirection, just simply select the WhatsApp conversation that you want to make password protected. So just tap on the OK button, and I have two WhatsApp installed. Just open the WhatsApp. So I'm opening this. You might have only one. So just come under this chats and just select the chat that you want password protected. So I want to protect this chat, so just tap on that. Okay, so you can see conversation protected successfully. Now whatever there is an ad, let me close that. Now Vodafone, whatever the chat conversation is password protected, no one can access Vodafone this whatever the chat name conversation without entering correct password. So just tap on the OK this button. Okay guys, so here we have, it's now done. So let's go to our WhatsApp. Let me close this app. Here we have our WhatsApp. Let me tap to open it. And if I tap on this chat that we just locked, you can see, guys, it's asking the password. So let me enter the password and just tap on the OK button. You can see now I can access it. Okay, and suppose, guys, if you want to remove the password, so again you need to find your chat locker. So let me open my chat locker. Here I have just open the chat locker. You can see it's asking the password. Just enter the password, tap on the OK button. Okay, so just tap and hold the chat. You can see we are getting the pop-up. Let me close this ad. Okay, and here you can see password protection remove. Are you sure you want to remove password protection for whatever your chat conversation name, conversations? So just tap on the OK button and it's now removed. You can see currently there is no any WhatsApp conversation is password protected. So if I go back, let's open my WhatsApp. Here is my WhatsApp. If I tap on that, if I tap on the chat, you can see it's now not password protected. Okay, guys, so in this way you can protect your WhatsApp chats. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.